So in this video, we're going to take a look into the market for the week. I'm talking about Forex market for the week. We'll take a look at the currency strength. We'll also look into the Forex calendar. We use a Forex factory. So we'll take a look at the calendar for this week. And we also take a look at some currency pairs like BTC USD, NASDAQ, EURUSD, GBPNZD, GBPNZD, GBP card, USDJPY, EURUSD, of course, USDJPY, and some NZD crosses like NZDUSD, NZDJPY, AUSDJPY, and some of other currency pairs that the time will allow. Hi, my name is Emmanuel Adegola, aka the Forex Apostle. They call me the Forex Apostle because I'm a minister of the gospel. I trade Forex market for a living, and I disciple others to success in Forex. I enjoy what I do. I love doing this. So every Monday, you look forward to see this Forex market analysis and forecast, and that's exactly what we are going to be doing. But do me a favor, this video is for you. Okay, you are the reason why I do this, and one way to just compensate and just show that you really appreciate this is by liking this video. So come on now, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not subscribed, like this video, and also share this video with your friends. And make sure, if you're a Forex trader, watch this video to the end, because I give you valuable values, okay, to qualify for your time. So I'm going to give you 5 seconds to do that, and we'll continue with this video in a second. All right, so welcome back. Let's start by looking into the Forex calendar for this week. As you can see, the week December 5th to December 11th. This week, Sunday, of course, free, nothing. But Monday, by 9:30 p.m., we will be having cash rate for Aussie dollars. You can see 9:30 p.m. There's going to be it's going to be a busy day for Aussie dollar. Reserve Bank of Australia, okay, there's going to be a release, and this has to do with the interest rate. That will be on Monday. So by the time you are watching this video, if you're watching it on Monday, definitely tonight, you need to watch out for that. Then Tuesday is free. I try to focus more on the one with the red impact right here. Okay, so Wednesday is going to be busy for Canadian dollars and US dollars. So on Wednesday, as you can see, Bank of Canada rate statement. So expect a currency pairs like a USD card, GBP card, and any of the Canadian dollars and crosses, okay, to move and to have a volatility this particular day. So you want to watch out also for that. And the USD, US dollars by 9 a.m. also on Wednesday. So it's going to be a busy day for USD card generally. So make sure you pay attention, close attention to that. Then Thursday, you can see also Aussie dollars. Wow. So this Reserve Bank of Australia again, that will be on Thursday. So then Friday, we will be having the CPI for the month, the Bureau of Labor Statistics latest release, and that will come out on Friday. So it's good, after your Bible as a Forex trader, your Forex calendar is another page you want to have, open, a tab open like this on your computer. Then let's take a look at the currency strength for the week. This currency strength, as you can see, Aussie dollar is, this is the weakest right now. Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollars, BTC also is weak, GBP is weak, Canadian dollar is weak. So I will run away from GBP card, except maybe on Wednesday, a currency pair like GBP card. Okay, GBP card can move. One of them will become strong, GBP card. So one of them will be strong, another one will be weak. But in the situation right now, GBP is weaker and the Canadian dollar is weak. so I will not go after this for now. Now, you know, in currency, as I always say, we buy the strength. Okay, you buy the strength. You buy the strength and you sell the weak. So when we look into this, we're going to be selling Aussie dollars. So currency pairs like Aussie JPY. I mean, when you look at a currency pair like this, Aussie CHF, this week, I mean, except anything changes when it comes to the Australian dollars interest rate. But for now, I will be looking forward to sell Aussie dollars. So when you look at this, we'll be buying Japanese yen. So we're going to be buying Japanese yen and Swiss franc. As you can see, we'll be buying Japanese yen, buy Swiss franc. USD also is strong. Euro is stronger. I mean, USD is stronger than Euro. So a currency pair like Euro USD might not really do much this week, except there is a serious movement also to make one of them stronger or weaker than the other. But for now, based on what we can see, we focus on, you know, selling or shorting NZD, shorting AUD, and the Bitcoin. Of course, you can see Bitcoin also is weak. GBP is weak, and with our analysis, we are focusing on 4 hours and daily. Okay, we'll look at 4 hours and daily chart. So let's take a look at our chart for the week, and let's start from Bitcoin. So from here, you can see Bitcoin is definitely down. Okay, right now the trend is down for Bitcoin. As you can see, that doesn't mean that the Bitcoin is experiencing a bearish market. Okay, because as you can see, that trend line is broken right there. And as far as I'm concerned, this is our 50. I just decided to use this clean chart for this analysis today. But you know that I'm a founder of a Tradermatic. So in case you are looking to use a robust system for your analysis, you can use a Tradermatic. Okay, Tradermatic, you can use a FX Sniper, you can use Forexmatic 360. The link will be at the description of this video. But for this week analysis, I chose to use this clean naked chart. Okay, so when you see the price is above 50 EMA, this is our 50 EMA. So on daily, the price is above 50 EMA. So long-term trend of Bitcoin is actually bullish. Okay, so I'm bullish on Bitcoin. So what I will be looking forward to do, I'm not trading Bitcoin, by the way. And please remember that this video is for educational purpose only. So what we do is we create analysis, look into the market, and I show you what I'm doing that is working for me. If you copy it, it will work for you. But I am not telling you what to do with your money. So I can be buying Bitcoin right there and put my stop loss below there. Then you can target here as you take profit 1 or take profit 2. And remember, we'll be talking about a Bitcoin right now. The last high that we have, okay, at the end of the last bullish run was $19,000. And if all the analysis is right, we are expecting at least times 10 of this. So I'm expecting Bitcoin between $190,000 to $250,000 before the end of this present bullish run. Okay, before the end of this bullish run. So right now we are between 55,000 to 60,000. So Bitcoin still has a lot of ways to go. Okay, that is as far as that is concerned with Bitcoin. Let's look at NASDAQ. NASDAQ also, remember, if you watch my video last week and even last 2 weeks, I told us that, okay, with this bearish engulfing candle, that I will be very conscious of buying NASDAQ. And remember, when I talk about NASDAQ, we also talk about other indices like S&P and US tariff. So with this, as you can see how far we've gone, now we still have this momentum candle. Okay, this inside bar breakout, we have this inside bar breakout. So we still have this bearish momentum candle. Let's look at the weekly, because we can see that very clearly. On weekly chart, you will see this bearish engulfing candle also. Okay, so that makes it very dangerous for NASDAQ. So what I will be expecting this week is a little bit pullback, then continue downward. So I won't be surprised if we pull down up to this area for NASDAQ. So NASDAQ can pull down to as low as 14,426 before the end of December. Can that be now? No, but I will be very, 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 very conscious of buying NASDAQ. I expect personally for it to still go pull back. As you can see, it closes below our 50 moving average. So next week, I will be expecting this to open back up and go back up. But if it doesn't, then there is a serious danger for Bitcoin. For NASDAQ. So if we look at it, let's take a look. This is where we are right now. So between this down and this place, if we use a FIBO level extension, let's see FIBO 2, we are this 50% retracement. Okay, right now we have this 50% retracement. If we break out of this, retest this, then we'll be heading towards 61.8. If we break out down, we'll be heading towards the initial one we talked about. That is the 14,426 for NASDAQ. But I expect it, as I said, to kind of go back up a little bit before continue downward movement. That is for NASDAQ. Let's take a look at the EURUSD. EURUSD, we have this inside bar also formation. So right now we don't know. Remember, Euro is weak, USD is weak. Based on what I show you here, Euro is weak, USD is weak, because I can't call this particular one strong. It's plus 3.2, plus 1.6.7 before you can say, okay, in particular you're going towards a particular direction. There must be at least minimum of 4.0 difference between the currency pairs. So that's why we will not be going after EURUSD except something significant really happen. So right now, what I will be doing, I can open a 2 pending order, one right there, buy stop right there, sell stop right here. So the buy stop, and I will put, this will be my stop loss for buy stop, this will be my sell stop for sell stop. So which one opens first, then I close the other one. So this will be what I will have. If the buy stop opens, then I will be targeting right here 1.16013 to take profit for the buy stop. And if the sell stop break out, then it therefore means that I will be looking forward to take profit from here. That will be 1.08904, but I don't see it getting there, or because this is on the weekly. And if you remember very well, I said that we add a double top right here, double top right there, and if you measure from here to here, so right now I think we have moved almost the same length of that particular double top. So I expect EURUSD personally to kind of go back up. And if you look at this September, okay, on weekly, so this September also, this could be a signal right there for us right here, this particular September. So that can push EURUSD back up. Okay, let's go to GBPNZD. As we have seen also from here, remember, NZD is weak, GBP is weak, but NZD is weaker. So except anything changes this week based on the fundamental release, right now on GBPNZD, if you look, we are right here. Okay, right there, right here. If you go to daily, this is where we are. So I'm not expecting GBPNZD to kind of push too much up. The reason is simple. Look at this rejection right there. Look at this rejection right there. Yeah, we have this momentum. So for me to buy GBPNZD, we must break out of this 1.96985. But what I'm expecting actually is a pullback right for GBPNZD, or even reversal right there. Okay. GBP card, as I've said, I'm going to stay clear of it for now. As you can see, the market is not defining any direction. And the reason is very also simple. GBP is weak, CAD dollars is also weak. All right, so USDJPY, yes, that will start talking about interesting pairs for the week. So this, as you can see on daily, we have this big momentum downward. We have this market close below 50. So I will be expecting on daily chart, if we have this breakout downward, then USDJPY, I'm expecting to take profit from 110.815. That will be on daily chart. And okay, we've talked about EURUSD already. USDJPY, I believe we've talked also about that. Then NZDUSD. Oh wow, interesting. This of course is downward, as you can see. Wow. But so I will be expecting also a pullback. Okay, let's say up to this time, and right there downward. So that's what I will be expecting this week. Remember, do your due diligence and make sure that you know what you are doing. The best thing you can do, of course, is to invest in your education, invest in yourself. If you are watching this video and you are looking for a way to learn Forex the right way, of course, the Forex Apostle Mentoring Program is for you. So the link will be below this video, or you can visit www.theforexapostlementoring.com and just, come and join us. The Forex Apostle is looking for new disciples. All right, so NZDJPY, the same thing, is down, as you can see. So what I will be expecting again is a little bit pullback. Okay, I'll be expecting a little bit pullback, and if we have any setup, I will be looking forward to take profit right at this level for NZDJPY 74.809. And the last currency pair we take a look is AUSDJPY. AUSDJPY. So AUSDJPY also is down. So what I will be expecting also is what? A little pullback. So we should have a pullback also. Okay, let's have a pullback if possible. Then a setup to go short, and I will be expecting right on this AUSDJPY also to take profit from here this week. That will be 78.109. That is the market, and that is what I'll be looking forward to do this week. And by the way, if you live in Forex, if you live in DFW Metroplex, this week Sunday, that's going to be December 12th. December 12th, 12/12. It's going to be my younger brother's birthday. Happy birthday to Pastor John Adegbola in Abuja, Nigeria. So I'm going to be, hosting a special teaching series. Okay, a special teaching actually on Sunday, December 12th. Talking about the biblical teaching of multiple streams of income. I will be looking into 22 different ways by which you can make extra money, okay, online or offline. So 22 side gigs that you can start doing apart from your job. Yes, thank God for that job. But then, what are the side income, side gigs that you can start doing that can give you side income in 2022? So we'll be looking into that on Sunday, and it's going to be during service. It's going to be during the service. So anywhere you are, make sure you find your way to Abundant Grace Embassy. I look forward to host you. I look forward to see you. The Lord bless you. I love you so much. I will see you on Wednesday in our next video. God bless you.
Are you ready to change your career, or are you looking to make extra income outside what you are currently making? Do you belong to one of these groups? 1. You've been hearing about cryptocurrencies or blockchain technology, but you don't have a clue how to get started. 2. You've been hearing about Forex trading, but you have no clue how to make money with it. 3. You have lost your hard-earned money into crypto sharks or Forex sharks. 4. You are sick and tired of your job and you want your freedom? The Forex Apostle Mentoring Program is the global leader in Forex, stocks, and crypto education. As a disciple of the Forex Apostle, you gain skills that you need to succeed in this new economy. Get more than just extra income. Start living life on your term and at your own design. Join the community of like-minded people working towards the same goal as you. Become a Forex disciple today. Visit www.theforexapostlementoring.com to join us.